Imagine walking through nature and suddenly encountering an animal so rare that you might never see another like it in your lifetime. These extraordinary creatures seem like they belong in a fantasy story, yet they are real, hidden in remote ecosystems around the globe. From the mysterious melanistic fox to the awe-inspiring blue lobster, the planet is home to some truly exceptional species. Unfortunately, many of these animals are on the brink of extinction, which is threatened by habitat loss, pollution, and human activity. But why are these rare animals so important? What can their existence teach us about biodiversity and the urgent need for conservation? In this exploration, we'll dive into the fascinating world of these elusive creatures, uncovering their secrets and highlighting the efforts to protect them before it's too late. Curious to explore more about the world's rarest animals? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for fascinating insights into wildlife conservation and biodiversity. Melanistic fox, the rare cross fox. The melanistic fox, particularly the cross fox, is a rare variation of the red fox and stands out due to its unique dark stripe that forms a cross along its back. This striking appearance is a result of a genetic condition called melanism, where an excess of dark pigment creates a distinct contrast with the typical reddish fur. While cross foxes account for around 30% of the red fox population in certain areas of Canada, they are still a rare sight. Their elusive nature and unique appearance make them one of the most mysterious species in the animal kingdom. The rarity of the melanistic fox makes it an extraordinary example of biodiversity in action. The variety in their coat colors, influenced by genetic mutations, highlights the hidden complexity within a species. These foxes thrive in diverse ecosystems, from forests to grasslands, adapting their hunting and survival techniques to different habitats. Conservationists are particularly interested in understanding how these genetic variations impact the species' survival, especially in terms of camouflage and predation in their natural habitat. From a zoological perspective, studying these unique foxes provides invaluable insights into the evolution of rare species and the role of genetic mutations. In the wild, the cross fox faces several challenges, particularly related to habitat loss and the pressure of human activities. Although not yet classified as endangered, their populations in certain regions face potential decline. Preservation of their natural habitats is critical to maintaining not only the species, but also the ecological balance of their environments, which are already vulnerable to human encroachment. Animal enthusiasts and biologists alike marvel at the sheer beauty and mystery surrounding these animals. Observing a melanistic fox in its natural habitat is considered a rare and exceptional experience, as they tend to blend into their surroundings more effectively than their red-furred counterparts. Their presence serves as a reminder of the incredible biodiversity found in nature and the importance of conservation efforts to protect such unique species from further threats. King cheetah, the royal mutation. The king cheetah is a rare genetic variation of the regular cheetah, known for its distinct fur pattern. Instead of the typical small spots, this majestic animal displays large blotches and 3 prominent dark stripes that run down its back, giving it an almost regal appearance. This striking coat is the result of a recessive gene, making the king cheetah a truly unique sight in the animal world. It is a perfect example of how biodiversity works in fascinating ways, producing rare variations in even the most familiar species. Despite its royal title, the king cheetah faces the same challenges as other cheetahs, including habitat destruction and a decreasing prey base. As human encroachment continues, the ecosystems that these magnificent animals call home are shrinking. Conservationists are working to protect the cheetah's natural habitat, especially in Africa, where their numbers have significantly dwindled. The king cheetah's rare genetic traits make it even more critical to preserve the species to maintain the rich biodiversity of the region. In the field of zoology, the king cheetah's genetic mutation is an area of much curiosity. Scientists study this rare mutation to better understand genetic diversity within species and how such traits can help or hinder survival. Though the unique fur might make them more visible to predators or prey, it does not appear to significantly affect their hunting abilities. However, their rarity in the wild, combined with threats of extinction, makes them a symbol of the urgent need for stronger conservation efforts. Animal lovers and researchers are captivated by the allure of the king cheetah, often referring to it as one of nature's most exceptional creatures. Spotting one in the wild is an incredibly rare occurrence, turning any sighting into a once-in-a-lifetime experience. The beauty and mystery surrounding the king cheetah only add to the importance of protecting these animals and their habitats to ensure they remain part of the planet's biodiversity. Pink katydid, a rare insect with a genetic twist. The pink katydid is an extremely rare insect, a genetic variant of the typical green katydid. This eye-catching pink hue is caused by a condition known as erythrism, where an excess of red pigment dominates the usual green color. Pink katydids are a visual marvel, standing out in the animal kingdom for their unusual appearance. However, this vibrant color makes them more vulnerable in the wild, as it compromises their camouflage, which is crucial for evading predators. The rarity of pink katydids also raises questions about how certain genetic mutations can affect species survival. Insects like these rely heavily on their ability to blend into their habitat, and the bright pink coloration makes this species particularly vulnerable. Their unique appearance, however, represents the incredible richness of biodiversity and genetic variability present in the natural world. These rare creatures remind us that the natural world is full of surprises and genetic marvels. From a conservation standpoint, pink katydids, like many other rare species, face challenges related to habitat destruction. With the loss of their natural environments, many insects, including this rare variant, are at risk of becoming increasingly scarce. By protecting the ecosystems in which they thrive, conservationists hope to preserve not only their habitats, but also the incredible genetic diversity that exists within these species. In the realm of animal curiosities, the pink katydid stands out as an example of nature's unpredictability and beauty. Its striking appearance fascinates entomologists and nature lovers alike, serving as a reminder of the intricate and often fragile balance that exists within ecosystems. Whether spotted in the wild or studied in captivity, these exceptional insects are a testament to the natural world's capacity for producing extraordinary species. Enjoying these incredible animal discoveries? Give this video a like to support more content like this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your favorite rare species. Albino snake, a rare and vulnerable reptile. Albino snakes are among the rarest reptiles in the wild due to their lack of pigmentation, which makes them stand out in their environment. This genetic condition, known as albinism, results in the absence of melanin, leaving the snake with white or yellowish skin and pink or red eyes. While striking to look at, this lack of camouflage makes albino snakes more vulnerable to predators, and they often struggle to survive in the wild. The challenges albino snakes face underscore the importance of habitat protection and species conservation. In the context of biodiversity, albino snakes exemplify how genetic mutations can have both advantages and disadvantages for a species. While they are visually unique and fascinating, their survival is compromised by their inability to blend into their surroundings. This makes them a perfect symbol of how rare genetic traits in nature can sometimes come with significant trade-offs, particularly in species that rely on camouflage for protection and hunting. Zoologists often study albino snakes to understand the broader implications of genetic diversity and how such traits impact the survival of species in the wild. Though they are not a separate species, their rarity adds to the overall richness of biological discoveries that help scientists explore the evolutionary process. Conservation of their habitats remains essential for ensuring that even these rare variations continue to exist as part of our planet's natural ecosystems. Animal enthusiasts are often drawn to the mesmerizing appearance of albino snakes, which are frequently featured in zoos and wildlife reserves due to their extraordinary looks. However, in the wild, they are far more vulnerable than their non-albino counterparts, making their preservation even more critical. Protecting their natural habitats and raising awareness about their plight is key to ensuring that albino snakes continue to survive and fascinate future generations. Blue lobster, an oceanic gem. The blue lobster is one of the most extraordinary and rare animals in the marine world, with only a 1 in 2 million chance of finding one. This striking blue coloration is caused by a genetic mutation that produces an overabundance of a specific protein. While their vibrant blue hue makes them a rare sight, it also draws attention to the incredible diversity found within marine ecosystems, which are often overlooked in conversations about biodiversity and conservation. From a biodiversity standpoint, blue lobsters are an exceptional example of the genetic variations that exist even within common species. These animals highlight the richness of marine life, where rare genetic mutations can lead to the development of truly unique traits. Marine ecosystems, though often taken for granted, are home to an array of species with unusual genetic characteristics that contribute to the overall complexity of oceanic life. Zoologists and marine biologists study blue lobsters not only for their rarity, but also to understand how such genetic anomalies affect their survival and reproduction. Though their bright blue color might seem like a disadvantage in the wild, as it could make them more visible to predators, blue lobsters do not appear to face increased threats compared to regular lobsters. Still, their rarity makes them a symbol of the incredible and often hidden wealth of biodiversity found beneath the ocean's surface. Marine enthusiasts and fishermen alike are fascinated by the elusive blue lobster, which has become a symbol of the rare and mysterious wonders of the ocean. Spotting one is a rare privilege, and many that are caught are either released back into the wild or sent to aquariums for display. The blue lobster serves as a reminder of the need for marine conservation efforts, which are vital for preserving the fragile ecosystems that support such extraordinary creatures. Pink dolphin, a delicate wonder of the water. The pink dolphin, also known as the Chinese white dolphin, is a rare and beautiful creature that inhabits the waters around Southeast Asia. Despite its name, these dolphins are often pale pink, and their unique coloration makes them stand out in their natural environment. Unfortunately, these animals are highly endangered due to a range of human activities, including water pollution, overfishing, and heavy boat traffic. As their numbers continue to decline, conservation efforts become increasingly crucial to protect these rare and exceptional animals. In terms of biodiversity, pink dolphins represent one of the most visually striking examples of the unique species that make up our planet's rich ecosystems. Their distinct color and graceful movements in the water make them an icon of the natural world. However, they are also a stark reminder of how human activity can threaten even the most majestic species, driving home the importance of conservation and habitat preservation. From a zoological perspective, studying pink dolphins provides essential insights into the ways that species adapt to their environments and how human interference can disrupt these natural processes. Their rarity and the fragility of their populations make them a priority for scientists and conservationists alike. Efforts to protect their natural habitats and reduce the impact of human activity are critical for ensuring the survival of these exceptional marine mammals. Animal lovers around the world are captivated by the allure of pink dolphins, whose rare beauty has made them a symbol of the delicate balance within marine ecosystems. Observing them in their natural habitat is an awe-inspiring experience, but one that is becoming increasingly rare. As their populations dwindle, the need for strong conservation efforts becomes ever more pressing, highlighting the vital role that humans play in protecting the planet's biodiversity. The rarest animals on the planet are more than just marvels of nature. They are vital components of the intricate web of biodiversity that sustains all life. Each of these species tells a unique story of survival, adaptation, and the delicate balance within their ecosystems. As we learn more about these animals, it becomes clear that their preservation is not only about saving individual species, but also about safeguarding the health of our environment as a whole. So, what steps will you take to protect the rich biodiversity of our planet? Are you ready to support conservation efforts, spread awareness, and contribute to a future where these incredible creatures can thrive? If you're eager to learn more about the wonders of nature and the importance of conservation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more insights into the world's rarest animals.